Hello, my name is Andrei Kulikov, and in this video, I'd like to talk about and to show you some experiments with about Streamlit and about two machine learning models and using one of them in Telegram bot. It's very interesting, I suppose. So, some words about Streamlit. It's an it turns data scripts into shareable web apps in minutes, all in Python. No front-end experience required, and it is very convenient system. So I have um, code that makes picture classification on the base of a trained model efficient net B0 with the name ImageNet. So here is a code. It is simple and free. So Keras TensorFlow is used here, and some pre-processing of the image. It's loading and predicting what is what is this image is. The main thing of this experiment is how to load and view this picture and this results and in the most simple way. So let's start this. Streamlit, let's start like uh, what was it? Streamlit run and this code, and now it will o open the page, and this code and page can be hosted on the web server, some cloud, and here I can load the picture, any picture, and it gives me the results of it with the value of probability. It's with the highest probability. It's a schooner, and for example, I can load house, and it will tell me that it is a palace, church, or boathouse. Okay. Uh, the next experiment is so I'll stop it. Yes. And the next experiment is using the translation model from Facebook. It can be found here, and the description how to use it, and there are four of the models for different languages, and the data set of these models are used uh, taken from news. So and of course the data set strongly influences on the results of translation. It's not a vocabulary. The code is the part of this code is taken from the Hugging Face code. So this is it. Yes, must be installed these three uh, models for Python. And here is the adaptation of this code into Streamlit and into this view on this on the site. So the model is loading here and is waiting for text to translate. So let's start it. 1 second. Come on. It doesn't work in this way. Okay, so Streamlit translate, yes? Oh, no, 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 no Deutsch. Okay, I had another code with Deutsch to English from English to Deutsch, and the only thing is to change the name of this m name parameter. So let's write some code. Hello. While it is translating, I'll take some CNN news. Of course, here the hello, uh, the size of all of these parameters can be changed. I did it, but it's not the goal of this video, but only showing the possibilities. So here is Deutsch translation. As for okay, but what is the problem? This page has to be hosted somewhere, and you have to pay for it. Uh, there is the way to use a Telegram bot in which you ask the for translation and get it. So here is the code of this. Uh, there are some models to be installed, and there is a problem with this model. In spite of this telebot is used, must be installed by Telegram bot IP. So you see the same code here, but the second part of the code is connecting to Telegram bots. For that, you have to in bot further chat in Telegram get the token and do some logic. The first text in this bot, and then the text in English is to tokenized and translated by the old logic from Hugging Face, and one thing has to be done is using that code, because if it is not used like this, when when there is some problem with connection, the script fails, and here it is getting the error and exception, and do some logic with this exception error. So sorry for Windows, but I have a but file, and I'll start it, and it starts this code and the chatbot connection. So here is the chatbot link. Uh, ah, it is running somewhere. 1 second. Yes, I had another um, code loaded, and so here is a mistake, of course. I start again and put the code in the link to, oh, sorry, link to my chatbots in the browser, or it can be done in Telegram itself. So I get the invitation start, and I can now load here the some CNN news again. For example, this any random text, but it it is better to be a sentence, not a word, because it's not a vocabulary, it's a model. So here is the result. I think that it is very convenient. I'll put some links on the code and on this Telegram bot in the description of the video. Thank you for viewing. See you later. Bye.